Hello, let's make a monster. Click on the round arms, face, ears and horns. Are you...
Well done! Your monster is waving at you and ready to go on an adventure. Let's go!
Once upon a time, your monster was zooming around the galaxy in his spaceship. He wanted to explore new worlds, and he was imagining all the wonderful things he might find there. Then, one day, a terrible storm came. Your monster's spaceship span out of control and crashed on a mysterious island. What a big crash! Your monster looked in his repair book, but didn't know how to read it. Oh dear! What could he do? Then he looked around and saw the Island King.
"Hello, monster," said the king. "Did you get caught up in that storm too? I lost all my letters in it. If you find my letters, I will help you fix your spaceship, but it is badly broken and I can only fix one part of it. I will also give you a prize if you find my letter. Which prize would you like?" "Good choice," said the king. "Now can you help me find the letters that make the sound S?
Let's learn a new sound.
S.
As in...
Sun.
Can you say...
S. S. S.
Who's this? Can you help her find the letters that make the sound...
S.
Hello, let's make a monster. Click on the arms, face.
Well done! Your monster is waving at you and ready to go on an adventure. Let's go! After defeating Captain Pirate and becoming the Pirate King, your monster is zooming through the galaxy looking for another adventure. Suddenly, the computer in the spaceship picks up a signal from one of the planets. Beep, 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 beep. It's a distress signal. Someone down there is in trouble. Your monster decides to land on the planet and investigate. You are in orbit around the first planet.